need to brace for this. My God. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with an absolute weapon of an RS3. This car is running around 770 brake on ethanol. It's a full stage 3, fully built car, and a whole host of things have of course been done to it. And so what we'll do in usual fashion, we'll catch up with the owner, Brett, we'll have a walk around it. He can basically talk to us about what he's done to it, and then we'll go out for a quick spin in this 770 brake RS3. Okay, so we're joined now with Brett, the owner of this insane RS3. Thank you very much for coming along and on the channel today. Bit of a weapon, this. A bit of a weapon indeed. It's a car you haven't had that long either, really, is it?
7 months.
Okay, and you bought it stock or?
Bought it at stage 1.
Okay,
MRC.
Yeah. So you've done most of it, pretty much. So it literally just had a stage 1 on it, nothing else.
Yeah, and then I went stage 2 and ran like 560 horsepower.
Yeah,
so I wasn't happy with the power, so I just sent it.
And then, so full built engine, hybrid turbo and everything like that as well. The bolt-ons actually for this, you've obviously got the eVenturi, awesome full carbon fibre intake. Full built engine as well, like you mentioned as well. Do you know the specs of that?
Manly pistons, Artec rods, CNC ported cylinder heads, with upgraded valves, springs.
Yeah.
Good for 900 horsepower.
Really? Okay, so it's not really at its limit, really, at the moment. It's the kind of turbo, I guess, which is holding it back, I guess.
It's on the limit, really.
What turbo is it on the car at the moment?
TT 777.
Okay, yeah. So can you get like an 850 or something?
Yeah, get an 850 kit, yeah.
But still, I mean, the power it's running is more than enough for sure.
It's quick.
For sure,
Very
absolutely.
quick.
Obviously the full bolt-ons that you'd expect, intercooler and things like that. What is it exactly?
Forge Motorsport intercooler.
Okay.
Water meth for the cooling.
Yep.
APR coil packs with NGK race plugs. Flex fuel for the ethanol. I can connect my phone to the tank to read the ethanol content.
Oh, that's cool. It's full setup then, really.
Yeah, everything.
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 Moving around though, what wheels have you got at the moment? Nice gloss black OZs, I think, aren't they?
Yeah. Oz Racing, Chilagueras, Pirelli P0s all round with a factory tyre size on, sitting on racing line springs.
And stock brakes as well.
Stock brakes, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I always say with these things, they're massive up front, 8 pots. You don't really need to upgrade them unless you're going like a full drag setup, really.
No.
So yeah, fair play, fair play. And exhaust-wise, what is it you're running?
Miltech non-race turbo back.
Yeah, all the way through.
With the factory valves in.
Oh, so you still got the valves, that's cool.
Yeah, still got the valves.
I mean, these things sound mega anyway, don't they?
Yeah, too loud without the valves.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. But yeah, no, mate, a proper setup thing, actually. And yeah, very much so looking forward to experiencing it, because whilst it is capable of 770 on ethanol, we're running just the pump fuel today, aren't we? Yeah,
pump fuel with octane booster.
Okay, so about what
power? 700 horsepower.
Okay. All right, I think if that's everything, I think we'll get it started up.
Yeah.
And yeah, go for a spin.
Yeah.
I can tell that was like half throttle as well.
Yeah.
It's brutal. God, it's so linear. How long ago was it built? Is it still fairly fresh?
About 2 months ago.
Okay, so yeah, it's still pretty new for you then.
Yeah.
God, that is fast.
It's loud.
The shifts are savage as well. You can tell the ones which are flames as well, because it kind of
shakes the car.
It does, doesn't it? It does not let off at all, does it?
It's quick.
It is properly quick. It sounds so good as well. There's plenty of bite on those brakes, isn't there, as well?
Yeah.
I bet you love driving this.
Yeah.
It's comfortable. It is, isn't it? It handles the road really well, but there's no denying it. It shifts.
Yeah, it upsets some cars.
Yeah, I can imagine, yeah. I bet the difference between 2 and 3, the stage 2 to stage 3 was
big difference.
Big difference, yeah. So you went from like what, 560 to 700?
Yeah.
Basically.
I think next year I want to try and double the power from stock.
Oh, okay, that's a cool idea. Yeah, that's a cool idea. So I suppose, like we mentioned earlier, turbo maybe.
Yeah.
Bigger turbo. Is there anything you want to do in here as well? I mean, it's a nice interior, don't get me wrong.
Steering wheel.
Yeah.
The back of the seat's carbon.
Yeah, you can get those panels.
Loads of carbon.
Yeah.
Inserts in the
Tiny
interior.
down. You're going to keep stock seats, everything like that.
Yeah.
Is first gear kind of pointless in it?
Yeah.
It just spins, because I could feel you were like half throttle, then second, and then
second and third. I think third gear's probably the strongest gear.
The best gear, yeah. There's just no lag though, is there? Like I can feel your foot going down on the throttle. It is an absolute rocket ship.
Yeah.
To think this, you can get this kind of power and noise and theatre from a little hot hatch is pretty astonishing, really.
What do you prefer, saloon or hatchback?
No, I think I'm a hatch guy.
Yeah.
I think I'm a hatch guy. I do like the look of the saloons, but I think a hot hatch is a hot hatch. Oh, is it launch time?
Yeah.
It's launch time. Oh, I need to brace for this. My God. Is that the first launch?
Yeah.
Span? That it did, didn't it? But when it hooks up, my God. This is surprising me as much as it is surprising you, I think. There are not words to describe how quick this car is, and I've been in some quick cars. But mate, thank you so much for taking me out in this. I now very much so want an RS3. I think that needs to be done at some point. But yeah, of course, you guys can find Brett's Instagram link down in the description down below. But yeah, for me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.